Standing ovation here. Let's have a look at the 2025 Panini Mosaic football in a blaster box. 6 packs per box, 6 cards per pack. Mosaic oranges are exclusive to blasters. Let's see if we can get one of those. First up, Olave. Got a prism of Deion Branch, Jaden Daniels, Touchdown Masters, Hunter Henry, George Pickens, and Chris Godwin. Here's Tucker Kraft. Got a rookie of Barron, Brock Bowers, notoriety Bowers. There's a Breece Hall, rookie of Cam Ward, Justin Fields with the Jets. Jared Verse. Got a Jalen Hurts Mosaic, Armstead. Nice Jalen Hurts.
Oh, hey.
Got a rookie Elevate of Double E. Pretty looking card. Elevate. And Danny White with McLaren. The second half of the box. Got Will Anderson. Rookie of Tesla. There's a green Mosaic. Malachi Starks rookie. No numbering on any of these. A.J. Brown. Elevate. Jalen Hurts. The Brazil games. And Tim Brown. Next up, we got Simmons, Cam Miller, Aaron Rodgers, green Mosaic, Justin Jefferson Elevate, good looking cards, Ridley, and Ramondre Stevenson. This last pack in the blaster. Devontae Adams, rookie of Smith, J.J. McCarthy with the green and purple
Funky color.
Touchdown Masters, Jahmyr Gibbs, big head card, Earl Campbell, and Eric Dickerson.
Tap the like button.
Subscribe.